So where is the proper place to bring a medical malpractice lawsuit? Hi, I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. In the post-COVID age, people are moving around much, much more than they did in the past. People are relocating to different states. They're traveling from one side of the country to the other. Even within their own state, they're moving. I know that in Maryland, people are moving out to the western part of Maryland, down to the shore of Maryland. So there's just been a lot of people moving around. And with remote work, you can really almost go anywhere. And in fact, I've talked to clients who actually are totally remote. They travel around in an RV, so they really don't have any particular place. They just go where the wheels take them. So what does that mean really in a medical malpractice lawsuit and the proper place to file it? So the simple answer is no matter where you are, the lawsuit has to be brought where the medical malpractice occurred. So for example, if you lived in Maryland and that's where it happened, and now you've relocated, let's say you've gone to North Carolina, where does the lawsuit have to be brought? It can't be brought in North Carolina because that's not where it happened. Even if that's where you live, the lawsuit has to be brought where it happened and not where you live. Even within the state of Maryland, let's say something happened to you in Baltimore City and you moved out to the shore, over onto the eastern shore. Well, that lawsuit has to be brought in Baltimore City, even though you have relocated. What are the practical effects? The practical effects are that if you are considering a medical malpractice lawsuit, and you don't live in the state, or you live far from where the medical malpractice lawsuit occurred, you have to be aware that you're going to have to travel back to the place where it happened during the lawsuit. And if there's a trial, you're going to have to come back to, let's say in my case that we're talking about, the example, Baltimore City. So if it happened in Baltimore City and you now live in North Carolina, you have to be prepared to come back to Maryland for the trial of that case. So this question has come up much, much more than it did in the past, again, because of the nature of just how things are. So I wanted to provide this information to you. Basic bottom line is you have to bring the lawsuit where it happened, not where you live. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my future videos. Again, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.